前もう感動です。生きててよかった。
ジ君のメモ通り焼いただけだから。
Hey guys, today we'll be making Nami's poisonous tuna steak from One Piece. I'll be using a normal tuna since I don't want to take the risk of getting poisoned, but you can do whatever you want. Don't forget to follow me on my socials like Instagram, Twitter and TikTok, and without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we'll need is a nice fresh piece of tuna steak. I got mine at a local fish butcher. I went ahead and cut the piece in two, so it looked something like this. Next, we'll need some ginger. Remove the skin. It's better to do it with a spoon, but I did it with a knife. Then, cut them into thin coins like this, and stack them on top of each other. Cut them vertically, and then, once you've done that, perpendicular to that, cut them again. In the end, you should get this fine, almost grated like ginger. Next, we'll need some garlic. Release your anger onto a garlic bulb so we can free the cloves. Remove the skin of about 4 cloves and then dice it up very finely, to the point of it having a grated consistency. You can also use a grater for both the ginger and the garlic, by the way. We'll also need some coriander. Remove a few leaves, then chop them up finely, like this. I also decided to add some tangerine peels. We all know how much Nami loves tangerines, so I think it would be something that she would love. And it also adds a nice citrusy hint to the dish. Finally, I also decided to add some thyme for flavor. Now, let's start cooking. First, drizzle some olive oil into a pan and get it to a medium-high heat. Put the tuna steaks in, laying away from you, so the oil doesn't splatter on you. Sprinkle on some salt. Follow this up by some fresh black pepper. Add the coriander to the tuna. Flip the tuna steaks. Season the other side as well. Then, we'll add a lot of butter so we can baste the tuna with it. Now, add the garlic and ginger puree. Follow this up by the thyme as well as the tangerine peel. Get a spoon and start basting the tuna steaks with the infused butter. You're literally showering it with pure flavor. After about 2 minutes, it should be done cooking, so we'll now start with plating the tuna. I got a plate and laid down a bed of microgreens onto the plate. You can use whatever greens you want. Stack the pieces of tuna onto the bed of greens, and that's it. Nami's poisonous tuna steak from One Piece. We can now start with tasting the dish. This really tasted amazing. You can never go wrong with a piece of fish cooked in butter, and especially not if it's infused with herbs and citrus. You can taste the garlic and ginger as well. It all harmonizes so well. Pair it with some lemon and it becomes even better. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys liked the episode and have a nice day.